So guys, recently, oh my, no way I stopped. You know, I'm gonna fix my intro. Oh wait. So today we're about to be watching some of the funniest funny cat videos. Last time I did this, it got 1K views. So today I'm doing it again. By the way, this is not the same thing. Because if I don't want to use it again, goddamn. So today I'm going to be doing cats. Get up. First off, we're going to watch this. This video might be 12 minutes long. Because there's something I might need to do.
These are the best cat videos from the past 10 years.
Alright. My foot hurts. Stop. Before we start, I can't laugh 3 times. If I laugh 3 times, I lose. And if you laugh, you gotta subscribe now. I think you guys can see my reflection through the... Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I might need to check. But hey, let's start.
These are the best cat videos from the past 10 years.
Alright, first one.
Ты ко мне лезь.
That's not
Не надо. Ты...
Boy. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
No, I
What
lost
did you just say?
one time. I have 2 more tries. Dude, I watched these videos before. Wait.
This cat is not being harmed in any way
Totally
and
died.
truly enjoys doing this trick.
It's a little.
Already I have 1 more. I only have 1 more art.
Flip.
I'm cooked.
Part 2.
That was
Double
actually
mom
kinda
hug. Fatty meters. Oh, it's cold.
No, I lost. No. Already it have been 1 minute to the video and I left. Bruh. You know what? Screw the challenge. You know what? I'm just gonna complete it with it. I can just laugh forever.
These people use their cat to catch a bug.
Girl.
Oh, what are you doing? Yo, where is he coming from? He's coming from the universe. Get.
Oh.
Hi, how you doing?
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah.
She came home after petting a cat that her cat absolutely hates.
What is it?
This is Aries, who is a cat that was born with hyperextended rear legs. He isn't in any pain and is pretty much a normal cat in every other way.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
He's about to pray.
You can do it, Snowball.
For Allah.
You can do it.
Slash
You can
God,
do
I
it.
mean God.
You can do it. Oh.
This cat seems to have adopted this monkey.
I was gonna say is the cat pregnant? But it was actually the monkey. The monkey. Oh, ninja cat.
Anywhere.
I know that.
Like,
I knew
where
it.
did they go?
I knew the cat would be in there.
This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
He was trying to force his cat to love him.
Sit over here. It's not that serious.
Have one. You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
The streamer's cat really loves her.
I don't know
Which one? Bunny.
He just flung cat litter out of the box.
Ew.
He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
El cielo se cae, hijo chicken little.
Who would you say in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Yeah. Ah, my leg.
For some reason, a bat latched onto the collar of this cat.
Oh my gosh. Ew, why does he have a rat? It's a jump scare. I've seen this before. I've seen this. What is? No way, God.
Conversing with these sea creatures is like talking to anyone a little different.
Bro!
Just takes open and
Holy bushcrack. I won. Ew. Hey, yo, pause. Yo, pause. Oh. What is this?
This poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ. You wanna eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
Stop. Shut up.
This cat was in trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
Ew! Why does cat always hit everything? Everything. Every time. Yo! Yo! Ew! Skip,
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Do you like your new tie?
It makes you look very handsome.
This cat was really upset that they woke up from their nap.
What happened? Do you wake yourself up? No, you are so very grumpy.
No, don't jump. Don't jump. Bad.
Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
What the heck? He took you out.
A cat got too close to a candle and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out.
No. Whoa. What? Whoa. Chips are cheap, man, my friend. Bro,
I had never seen a cat running cursive before.
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So, unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Security! Ah!
What? At this point, he just opened it. He's squeezable. This guy's sweet. Oh. Ouch. Like, why does cat and dogs do this? He's saying, please guys, subscribe to a movie or watch it.
This cat got a little nervous and protective when the baby put their hands over the balcony.
Aww. This guy is a protective. Hey!
Attempt to make this shoe launch off the desk on its own. You ready?
He's scared to get out. He's like making a. Ooh, he's learning too. I like it. At this point, he's just gonna eat.
Hairless cats often need lotion in order to protect their skin.
He doesn't have a skin. No. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my God. How many times did I voice crack in this video, dude? Holy.
Recorder and memos.
So let's gotta do your stretches special.
Yo, what the frick?
Oh my God. Pesto chicken pasta?
Pasta! If you guys didn't know, I love
This guy
pasta.
tossing his cat to go catch a rat.
I also like sometimes some meat. Not meat, like Tom and Jerry 2.0.
This person has a cat that walks on the same path every day.
Cats are so funny, dude. That's why I
This
love
person wanted
cats.
her dogs to come back inside, but they weren't
Same
really
as
listening.
birds.
The cat saw that they weren't listening and wanted to help out.
Wait, what did I just do that? Oh, this guy's a great. Wait, what? This cat is a great. Is great. What? Aw, they're best friends.
Why are you?
What do you think he's going to jail for?
Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Was hat sie getan?
Oh
This guy
no,
was
little Timmy 2.0 cat. Little cat just stole some kitten food.
Enough to save a kitten found on the side of the road.
Someone just. Oh no! It's a whole. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There's more.
I don't love like big cats, but I do love some small ones, like kittens. They're like nice. They do not bite you and stuff. Oh.
This cat was confused when she heard her owner's voice come from a security camera.
Jump scared. If I got jump scared, I would fell into the floor, and my leg is just gonna break way more because of the table falling down to my leg in school. Dude, I can hear the guy laughing so hard. Oh no, this fat jump.
If you take a wet toothbrush and pet a cat with it, it supposedly reminds them of getting cleaned by their mother.
If you guys don't understand that one, I know you guys understand it, but for the people who doesn't understand, hold up, what the? Whoa! Whoa! There's a cool animation. All right, the cat was fat. All right, and then he broke the chair. That's what. Yay! He's getting a new
Hunter, are you hungry?
Fresh. Right when I said that, fresh. I remember I saw like a video. A cat went inside the.
This cat grabs food from the automatic feeder as if someone will try and steal it.
Cleaner. How am I?
No,
This cat was caught doing sit-ups underneath a car.
Hey! Oh, Edward blurred. Okay, I don't have an edit.
I have never seen a cat drink via Bluetooth before.
Okay, he's just AFK.
Imagine losing a game of ring
This
toss
is
to a...
me when like a game, you can just odds you, give you stuff like speed clicker, in Roblox. You can just odds you click. One time I was playing Aura, I think, game, and then my dad told me to go to. Me and him will take a haircut. There's like a place where we take haircuts in front of our house exactly. Like only 2 seconds away from our house. Yeah, we're lucky. Same. And then when I got back, it was 6.9 trillion. I'm not joking, bro.
Cat.
From my alt account. No way the cat is winning. Oh, huh? Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
See if Bruce likes
That's a demon right
here
there.
to make your very own
I don't want to make an
adapted mind, where monsters.
I'm really smart.
Want somebody?
As usual. Cats are hilarious.
This cat has trouble understanding how the screen works.
Oh. Yeah, it's exactly like that. Yesterday I saw something, 2 cats like standing like this, 5 feet away from each other. Like it's just like the movie in Las Vegas, like when Ding, ding, ding. The two cats is just like this. They're about to fight. And one time, yo, nostalgic. 5 years ago. Oh my gosh, I was only 5 years ago. No, wait. 5 years ago, I was like, no. I remember 3 years ago, I was 6 years old. In our old house, we were about to go somewhere. Me and my dad only. And then we saw two cats fighting under a car. And then my dad touched my dad touched one of the cat's tail. Pause. And then the cat just ran away past the other cat that wanted to fight. And then they just chased each other. Like this one. Hey!
Chega, Ninho. Ninho.
Oh, wait! This is...
Oh, meu Deus, que gato doido é esse?
I remember I went somewhere like this. Kind of. Oh, wait, there... Oh. It's... YouTube. Stop. This is not real. It's just like a reflection. They put it and...
Steve, I just got off work, so don't look up here.
I have never seen someone that loves corn as much as this cat does.
Oh,
this cat
dog.
just discovered the new security camera that was installed in the house.
What?
Come on.
Oh.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
I've seen this. I've seen
Hey.
this video before.
Мы с Тамарой ходим парой, да?
What?
Это мило.
This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. What do you think he's trying to say?
Oh, I almost wanted to. He's saying stop! Ah. Frick. Oh, he's about to fight. Yo, he's starting a Lamborghini! This guy, I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna like... I remember I saw like somebody taking a cat and just doing... Wait, let's see. Yeah, like it was just like a sniper.
What are you two doing?
Fighting. Right if I said that. He's gonna...
I have never seen such a nervous dog before.
I think he might be a sleepyhead. Okay, hey, yeah.
There's only two types of cats.
Peanut.
Huh?
Did Hers get her cast off? Look, she. Oh, why'd you do that?
You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
Well, they only turn one once, and we are doing the whole princess thing, but it's gender neutral, of course.
He's gonna make it do it again. Yeah. They're bros. They're bros and rose. Get out.
Loves fruit by the foot. You want your fruit by the foot?
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this super special cat video that I made, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and my name is